In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default theme in Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple tip helps you keep every new presentation consistent and professional, especially if you stick to a specific style for personal projects or company branding. It also cuts down setup time so you can focus on your content. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can use an existing presentation or create a brand new one. Either option works for getting your default theme ready. If you're opening a blank presentation, that's perfectly fine. It just gives you a clean slate to see the change right away. Look to the ribbon at the top of the window and click on the View tab. This area controls how you see and organize your slides, and it's where you'll access tools that affect the overall look and structure of your deck. From there, select Slide Master. PowerPoint will switch into Slide Master view, which is the central place where you manage design elements that apply across your entire presentation. Think of Slide Master as the control room for layouts, fonts, backgrounds, and themes. Changes you make here flow through every slide that uses those layouts. While you're in Slide Master view, head to the top of the window and open the Themes dropdown. You'll see a gallery of built-in themes. Take a moment to browse and find the one that best matches your style or brand guidelines. You can pause on a theme to preview how it will look, then click the one you want to use. Once you select a theme, it's applied to your presentation's master and layouts, which means the design is set across the board. Going forward, whenever you create a new presentation, PowerPoint will automatically start with this theme already applied, giving you a consistent starting point every time. To confirm everything worked the way you expect, close PowerPoint, reopen it, and create a new presentation. You should see the theme you chose load automatically right from the start. If anything looks off, just return to Slide Master view and pick the theme again to ensure it's applied as intended. This approach keeps your slides visually consistent and aligned with any branding requirements you follow, while reducing repetitive formatting tasks. It's a small change that adds up to a smoother, faster workflow. And that's it. You're now set up to work more efficiently with your preferred PowerPoint theme, ready to go whenever you start a new presentation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads.